Hey, in front of me is Nokia G60 and today I would like to show you where you can find all your downloads on this Nokia smartphone. Firstly, you need to locate an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now you need to click on Continue in the pop-up and then click on Browse in the middle at the bottom if it's not already on. Now choose Got It in this pop-up and click on Downloads category at the top. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!